So this is Phoenix Dactylifera, which is an edible date. It's the one that traditionally you would eat at Christmas time. You might recognise the stones. So this is how not to grow them. As you can see, they're all bunched together. They've gone brown at the ends. So I grew these in UK, and they're about 2 years old. So for 2 years old, they're not very big. So what happened is I germinated a batch, and then I couldn't be bothered to pot them up individually, so I just banged them all together in this pot, and I thought, oh, let's see how they get on. And this is 2 years on, and they're not doing too well. There's a few dead ones. There was a lot more than this when I put them in here. So don't get this confused with Phoenix canariensis. This one is the edible date palm. Here are the old stones. That one's still attached there. These actually were left out during a winter, a mild winter. So that's what. There you go. That one's just pulled. This is what you can expect if you leave them out. If you leave seedlings out in a climate such as the UK, unprotected. Another one's just pulled out. The rest seem to be okay. So whatever you do, don't grow them this way. When they're ready to pot them up individually and keep them covered during the winter. These, I mean, I've still had some have still survived, so I can see how these get on. But I just thought I'd let you know. Don't think that these are cold hardy. In my experience, even when they're adults, they're not really cold hardy in the UK. There are some, I've seen some in London or further down south to me, but they were planted quite large, not as seedlings, and it's a bit further down south. So they will grow in this country, but especially seedlings, keep them covered up. They're not as hard as a Trachycarpus palm. They do not like damp, wet soil. This is just clay, so it's not, the drainage is not very good either. Yeah, so if you're thinking about growing yours, don't do what I did. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.